So very welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the uses of find, left, right, and mid, which is used for text processing. So this is the table that we will be using for getting the position of a space. First, we can use find function. So find function text to find text. Which text I want to find? We want to find a space. Then in which text we want to find? That is customer name, and a start number is optional. You may put it or you may not put it. uh, so a start number is used to specify that from which index you want to start finding. So I am not putting here. So this is going to give me the position of a space. You can even count that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here the index start from 1. So bring the cursor to the corner and it will show the cross, and when you will double press, then it's going to do the same thing for rest of the rows. And then how to find the length of customer name? It's simple, like equals to len. Then in the len, you need to specify the text that is customer. It will give you the total length of the customer name, that is 13. Then I want to extract the first name. So there is a left function. Left function takes the text uh, in which from which you want to extract, and the number of characters. How will you get the number of characters that you want to uh, extract, so that it gives you the first name? So see, it will be position of a space minus one, because position of a space also tells that from the beginning, like how much is the length until we find space. It's also giving the length from the left side till the space. So the length next, the first name length will be that space minus one, like position of space minus one. Like 7 is the space, and 7 minus 1, this will be the last character of the first name. So see, it's giving Harold. So how do we extract last name? So for last name, you have to see from the right side. So there is also a right function which will first take you the character from which you want to extract, and how will you get the total number of characters in the last name. That's nothing but total length minus position of space. Total length minus this position of space. It should give you the length of last name. Then customer domain, when I want to say, then I mean that I want to extract this Gmail, Walmart, Gmail, Messi. So I'm going to do this in two part. First, I am going to remove the part that I don't need from left, and then from right. So if I want to remove from left, I should use right. Which text? Customer email. Then what is the number of character that I want to extract? That is nothing but len of this customer email minus the position of at the rate. In which text? So you have got the gmail.com now, and I will repeat the same thing for rest of the rows. And now from gmail.com, I want to remove from the right side, dot and after. I want to remove the text starting from dot and after. So equal to left, because I want to extract the left part only. That is also that also means that I want to remove the remove some right part. That is dot com. So equals to left in which text, that gmail.com. What's the number of character? See, for number of characters is simple, no, because if you want, no, if you find the index at which our dot is, then that minus one will give you the length of that Gmail, right? That find which character you want to dot in which, in this, and when you will do minus one, then it will leave the dot also. It is going to give you Gmail. There's nothing but our domain, and when you double click, it will do the same thing for all. So till now you have learned how to use find, how to use length, how to use left, how to use right, and some one like combinations. Consumer equals find text, which text you want to find, and in which text you want to find. First is which text you want to find. Second is in which text you want to find. And start name is optional. So it's giving you four. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 from fourth SUM is there. And position of office space of, sorry, position of off in office. Which text and in which text. Then extract off from home office using mid function. So how mid works? That mid will take you the text. Mid will take you the text first, and you have to specify that from which index you want to start searching, start extracting, right? So office is at which index? Let me count. It's at sixth index. And number of characters, three. So this is all how you can do the text processing in MS Excel. First we have learned a lot of things, and combining these things, there can be various of tasks that can be done. So thanks once again for watching this channel. If you like the content, do like it, share, and subscribe it so that I get motivated to make such kind of videos.